How to disable voice assistant on Samsung Smart TV. Once you are here on the main home page, at the left-hand side, you'll see Settings. From here, go to All Settings. Now, scroll down below and select Advanced Features. From here, go to Voice. From here, go ahead and select Bixby Settings. Now, from here, select on Bixby Feedback, and then you'll see Voice Response, and the toggle for this option is turned on, so simply tap on it in order to turn it off. And with that, you will be able to disable Voice Assistant on Samsung Smart TV. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.